Will AI take your regulatory affairs job in the next 5 years? The answer may surprise you. Welcome to Pharmalytics. Before we start, answer this in the comments. Do you think AI will completely replace regulatory affairs professionals? Type yes, AI will replace RA jobs, or no, humans will always be needed. With tools like ChatGPT, generative AI, and automated submission software improving daily, many RA professionals worry about their future. Today, we will separate hype from reality and explore what AI can and cannot do for regulatory affairs. Let's begin. AI is already transforming pharmaceutical regulatory operations. Today, AI can help with regulatory intelligence monitoring and literature searches. AI can assist with health authority guideline analysis and document summarization. AI can support gap assessment and submission publishing. AI helps eCTD document organization and regulatory data management. Many companies are investing heavily in AI-powered regulatory information management systems. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. This raises the question, do companies still need regulatory affairs professionals? Let's be realistic. AI excels at repetitive and data-heavy tasks. Examples include regulatory intelligence scanning thousands of agency updates rapidly. AI can identify inconsistencies in submission packages during document review. AI-assisted platforms can organize eCTD structures faster than manual methods. AI can compare product labels across markets rapidly. AI can support pharmacovigilance with case processing and signal detection. These capabilities are already reducing manual workload. But here is the critical point. AI is assisting regulatory affairs, not replacing it. Regulatory affairs is not just documentation, it is strategic decision-making. AI cannot easily replace regulatory strategy and choosing the best registration pathway. AI cannot build relationships with regulators or negotiate on behalf of companies. Regulatory professionals evaluate scientific, legal, and commercial risks when making decisions. RA professionals coordinate cross-functionally with R&D, QA, manufacturing, clinical teams, and marketing. AI can provide information, but humans provide decisions. Accountability remains with human professionals when submissions fail or receive deficiency letters. The highest risk roles are highly repetitive document processing and basic data entry. Manual tracking activities and routine intelligence compilation are also at risk. Demand will increase for professionals skilled in global regulatory strategy and intelligence interpretation. There will be demand for experts in AI-assisted regulatory operations and lifecycle management. Labeling strategy and regulatory project management skills will become more valuable. The future belongs to professionals who combine RA expertise with AI tools. If you are a student or working professional, focus on learning global regulatory guidelines. Develop regulatory strategy skills and understand AI tools. Learn data analytics and improve scientific writing. Build communication and leadership skills to stand out. Remember, AI will not replace regulatory affairs professionals completely. AI will automate tasks, improve efficiency, and change job roles. But RA professionals will remain essential because regulatory decisions require judgment, strategy, and accountability. The future is not AI versus humans, it is AI plus humans. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to Pharmalytics. Comment below, are you excited or worried about AI in regulatory affairs? Let me know which topic you would like next. AI in quality assurance, pharmacovigilance, manufacturing, or clinical research. See you in the next Pharmalytics lesson.